We thought this would be an easy sail. Just a few final boat jobs before leaving, and saying goodbye to friends we may not see again for years takes a toll on all of us. The forecast promised almost flat seas, but only minutes after leaving we realized something was very wrong. The Malta Strait turned brutal, and honestly, the kids got scared too. But then, Malta appeared. And suddenly, every difficult moment felt worth it. Although, Lila may disagree with that. Welcome to Sailing Prosperity. We left the freezing cold and windy Norway, and we are sharing our journey with you. Ready for jaw-dropping adventures, mind-blowing places, and a whole lot of fun from our family of 5. Whether you're here for the magic sunsets, epic challenges, or just a good laugh, we've got you covered. Hit that subscribe button and join us on this incredible journey. Let's make every second count. So you might think that I will just step out of the saloon and into the cockpit, show me my glass of wine, and tell you that sailing life is so easy. Every day just fun. Okay, she's enjoying it.
Looking at you working. Because
Working?
This time it's not you who's going to wash that.
What's that? That doesn't look like our dinghy. Oh no. I guess I'm gonna need more than one glass of wine to finish off this job. But the sun is going down. So, let's enjoy. Hello, Caroline. How are you doing? How are you doing? You want to wash the boat for us? You can wash the boat. Come, help! Help! I need help! What? So the question now is, I guess, did I finish the bottle of white wine or did I finish the boat? Well, the sun is down, you can't see it anymore. That means it's time to quit. And no, I didn't finish the bottle of wine. And I didn't finish the boat either. But look at that difference. Yeah, making progress here. And yeah, Catherine is inside in the cockpit. So I think it's important to save some work for tomorrow as well. We are leaving in a couple of days now, so I don't want to sit here and just have nothing to do. So I'll continue tomorrow. And I do have the best background. Marina is on fire tonight. So many people are out walking the streets, going to restaurants and bars, while I'm doing the dinghy work. But really happy that it is coming off after a lot of hard work. Do you approve of the work? Did I do a good job? Did I do a good job on the boat? Yeah. Almost done now. Sleep well.
The GoPro is go time. What do you think, Victoria?
I don't want to go.
Daddy is ready.
I am so ready. Waiting for this for so long. Now it's time to go.
Sayonara. Ragusa. Okay.
Lila is doing well. She's a bit excited. Jumping around. This is the first time Lila is seeing the ocean. I think we should take her down. She's a bit too curious. Walking around there. So first time out there, so come Lila. Inside. Yeah. That's good. No, Lila.
Lila, come here.
I guess we have a little bit rough start this trip. Sail is all the way from the sea. We are just bouncing all around there. Looking forward to getting to Malta, that's for sure. We'll sleep good tonight. Yeah, so quite a rough day. Let's see today. But no, that doesn't matter anymore. I'm sailing a little bit. See the birds. Always go so. The smallest island, or the most westerly island of Malta. So we are getting there eventually. How are you doing, Lila? Is everything okay? Started to drink again. That's good. She's been sleeping for a while, so not the baddest first sail. The baddest weather, but not the baddest experience after all. I think she's done great. And you too, Mommy. It's a bit cloudy now. The sun is going down. But hopefully we will get to put out the anchor just before the sun goes down. The waves have slowed down, so it's not as choppy as it was earlier. So it's been a bit warmer now than what we had earlier today. That was a bit crazy start. Let's have a get down here.
Hi, Lila. Oh, careful, Caroline. Yeah. You have to watch out. Okay? Because it's not even summer vacation yet. How is the business?
a fast learner. A little bit too fast maybe. She jumped straight onto the paddleboard for the first time and she missed. We had to do a little rescue operation because she hasn't learned to swim yet. She's a brave dog. Now they're off to the beach. It is good to be back in the water. We're still waiting a little bit. And Lila, she's exploring the swimming platform. It's quite a bit more crowded than it was this morning when we were all alone. And over here, lots of boats. There are the caves. Me and Caroline went into the caves earlier today. Last year she was too afraid to get into them with the dinghy, but today she made it, so it's just beautiful. And the caves are amazing. Alright, so it's time for some exploring. We're tied up the dinghy with an anchor out so it doesn't get hurt on the rocks. They're super sharp. But look at the crystal clear water. Amazing. Me and Victoria and Lila going for a hike.
Why can't you take the stairs, Lila?
We'll see what we find. Look, these stairs are just carved out in the stones. Oh, I hope it goes okay with you, Lila. I think there's a trail here. Oh, look at the cool hole in the mountain over there. You are allowed to smile, Victoria. Good.
Got it.
Yeah. Oh my. I want to say it's higher than it looks, but it's not. Oh look, there's a big trail here. Ah, that's easier. Oh. Oh, this is almost like a tractor road. Oh. Okay, let's go and explore. Check this out. Be careful so people don't fall down.
No.
This is the cliff. Whoa! This is super cool. Wow. Now that is amazing. You want to come and see? The sun is going down. Almost no tourists left. And all the street food wagons are closed. This is so funny because There's so many people here during daytime. They come into this dock, and we are just anchored right over there behind the first cliff, so we don't hear anything, we don't see anything. It's just paradise. Are you ready for the last part of the trip?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Lila, come down. Down here. Oh.
Where?
Steep. Yes, beautiful. Yeah, out in the nature. Oh no, we'll go past before the sun gets down. Perfect timing. Okay, let's go.
I left waves.
Yep.
Oh,
I think we can let her go. Come, Lila.
no.
Yes. Now that was a nice trip, don't you think?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. What's going on? Are you a little bit nervous now?
I can't see. The sun is in mine.
Yeah. Just aim for our boat.
Can you help me?
I'm right there. You can do this. I think you're a good captain. You okay?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. We like it. You wanna go faster?
No.
Okay. We'll just drive slowly into the sunset. Good job. That's all for now. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more from us. And if you hit the alert button as well, you will get notified whenever we release a new video.